It's a nightmare scenario. The enemy injects false data into the Pentagon's database used for training AI-controlled drone weapons systems. Subtle alterations to drone target ID algorithms misclassify civilian structures as military assets. Trained on the tainted AI, the drones cause significant civilian casualties after mistaking numerous civilian infrastructures as enemy command centers. International outcry ensues. Adversaries quickly launch a disinformation campaign to maximize the fallout. Public trust in AI systems deteriorates as tensions escalate globally. The Pentagon faces a crisis of credibility. Secret operations are compromised due to their reliance on poisoned AI assessments. Special operations personnel are captured. It's just the beginning. It'll be decades before the extent of the fallout is understood. This is the type of worst-case scenario the Pentagon is trying to prevent with a DARPA program focused on safeguarding AI and machine learning models. The Guaranteeing AI Robustness Against Deception program was initially revealed in January 2022, and now it looks like it's ready to be implemented. According to the brief website, Matt Turek, Deputy Director of DARPA's Information Innovation Office, revealed recently that 70% of the agency's programs involve AI in some way. The Register reports, data poisoning is just one of many bad outcomes from hacked systems, and potential targets extend far beyond the Defense Department. Other possibilities, according to the Modern War Institute, include evasion attacks that involve modifying inputs to AI systems. Adversaries reverse engineering Pentagon systems to undermine security and strategy. Inference attacks focusing on deducing data used to train AI systems, potentially revealing sensitive or classified info. GARD collaborators include II-VI Technologies, IBM, MITRE, the University of Chicago, and Google Research. The components so far include the Armory platform, available via Github, for running robust and repeatable evaluations of adversarial defenses in relevant scenarios. The Adversarial Robustness Toolbox, or ART, a Python library developed for machine learning security. The library includes tools to evaluate and defend ML models and applications against threats like evasion, poisoning, extraction, and inference. ART supports all major machine learning frameworks and tasks across data types. And the Apricot dataset, created by MITRE, which serves as a benchmark to help test and improve how artificial intelligence recognizes objects. It's specifically designed to determine how well these systems can spot attempts to trick them. The attacks, called adversarial patches, essentially apply stickers that trick the AI into seeing something that's not there. The Armory, ART, and Apricot datasets are available free of charge through DARPA's public release and open source initiative. Kathleen Fisher, director of DARPA's Information Innovation Office, said during a recent AI summit that the program has funded test attacks on large language models. GARD researchers managed to fool open-source language models almost perfectly and had an 87% success rate with a commercial version of GPT 3.5 and a 50% success rate with GPT 4, according to GovConWire. She said some AI tools may need more work before they can be trusted in government and military use cases. According to Defense Scoop, the Pentagon requested $10 million for the program in fiscal 2024. The budget proposal for 2025 includes no additional requests because the program is winding down as GARD capabilities are transitioned to other Defense Department components. The Pentagon is investing heavily in AI as near-peer nations like China and Russia do the same. For instance, the U.S. Air Force is eager to digitally transform modern warfare by integrating emerging technologies in its advanced battle management system. In a request for information, the Air Force seeks a cloud-based command and control artificial intelligence and machine learning toolkit for an advanced system for driving decision-making during missions. The advanced battle management system is being developed and tested by the Air Force to integrate various technologies and platforms across military domains. The goal is an expansive system that connects a plethora of military tech like sensors and drones to get all branches of the military to work together more smoothly. The system has undergone a series of tests and demonstrations since its initial on-ramping in 2019. In December of that year, the Air Force showcased the system's ability to transmit data from Army radars and Navy destroyers to Air Force F-22 and F-35 fighter jets. They also demoed the Space Force's Unified Data Library, which integrates space and ground-based sensors. Subsequent events have showcased capabilities including detecting and defeating a simulated cruise missile threat with hypervelocity weapons, relaying data from legacy fighters to newer, fifth-generation aircraft like the F-22, integrating allied nations like the Netherlands, Poland, and the UK into combined air operations. The system collects a myriad of data from places like space satellites, radars, and sensors in the ocean. That data is immediately processed and shared with soldiers, ships, planes, and command centers across the globe. In the request, the Air Force specifically seeks ways to leverage AI and machine learning to make the system smarter and more responsive. They're exploring ways AI can help, whether it's gathering data or helping different machines to better work together. The system was launched as part of a strategic pivot in response to technology initiatives with near-peer adversaries like Russia and China. Since 2018, the Pentagon has been on a mission to boost the military's ability to conduct operations across all domains by air, land, sea, space, and cyberspace. The system is part of the Department of Defense's broader Joint All-Domain Command and Control Initiative, also known as JADC2. The initiative seeks to connect sensors and shooters globally to give the U.S. an edge in modern warfare, according to Air and Space Forces magazine. The Advanced Battle Management System was initially envisioned as a modern replacement for systems that focus on air surveillance and battle management from an airborne platform. It has evolved to encapsulate data and communications across all domains. Responses to the request for info are due by April 26, 2024.